As we stand on the brink of 2026, the landscape of cyber threats evolves at an astonishing rate, weaving a complex tapestry of challenges for businesses and individuals alike. The shift toward ubiquitous connectivity, driven by advancements in artificial intelligence and the Internet of Things, creates a fertile ground for malicious actors. Potential vulnerabilities lurk within our smart devices, from home assistants to automated vehicles, each linked to a broader network susceptible to attacks. In this interconnected ecosystem, securing data becomes paramount, as breaches could lead to devastating consequences, affecting everything from personal privacy to national security. Emerging threats in 2026 are anticipated to include sophisticated ransomware attacks that exploit vulnerabilities across industries. These attacks are no longer limited to large corporations. Even small businesses are at risk. Cybercriminals are developing more ingenious methods of infiltration, such as utilizing social engineering techniques to manipulate employees into granting access to secure systems. As cybersecurity tools evolve, so do the tactics of these attackers, leading to a battle of wits where staying ahead requires continuous adaptation and vigilance. Furthermore, the advent of quantum computing presents both opportunities and challenges. While it promises groundbreaking advancements in data processing, it also threatens existing encryption methods, rendering current security protocols obsolete. In 2026, organizations must not only invest in advanced cybersecurity technologies, but also in research to develop quantum-resistant encryption methods. Education and awareness are critical components of this strategy, equipping individuals with the knowledge to recognize potential threats and respond effectively. In response to this ever-evolving threat landscape, collaboration will serve as a pivotal strategy in defending against cyber threats. Governments, private sectors, and international bodies must work together to share information and best practices. Developing comprehensive frameworks for cybersecurity standards and incident reporting will empower organizations to mitigate risks and respond to breaches effectively. A proactive approach, which incorporates regular assessments and cyber drills, can significantly enhance resilience in the face of imminent threats. As we prepare for the challenges of 2026, shaping a robust cybersecurity culture within organizations is imperative. This includes promoting a mindset of vigilance among employees and integrating cybersecurity into the corporate ethos. By fostering an environment where cybersecurity is prioritized, organizations can reduce vulnerabilities and empower their teams to act as the first line of defense against potential cyber threats. The road ahead may be fraught with challenges, but through innovation, cooperation, and education, a more secure digital future can be achieved. As we step into 2026, the landscape of cybersecurity is evolving at an unprecedented pace. The surge in digital transformation and the proliferation of connected devices have amplified the need for robust security measures. Cyber threats are becoming more sophisticated, morphing into complex attack vectors that challenge even the most seasoned professionals. Organizations must be prepared to navigate this intricate web of vulnerabilities that now stretch across every aspect of their operations. The first line of defense in 2026 will be heavily reliant on artificial intelligence and machine learning. These technologies can analyze vast amounts of data in real time, identifying anomalies that signal potential threats. Predictive analytics will empower organizations to proactively respond to cyber threats, thwarting attacks before they inflict damage. Security teams will be aided by intelligent systems that not only detect breaches, but also learn from previous incidents to bolster future defenses, creating a fortified wall against the assailants. Moreover, the human element cannot be overlooked in this equation. As organizations strengthen their technological defenses, there will also be a renewed focus on cultivating a security-conscious culture among employees. Cybersecurity training programs will evolve to be more interactive and engaging, simulating real-life attack scenarios, which will enable individuals to recognize and respond to threats effectively. Awareness campaigns will transform the workforce into the first line of defense, fostering a collective responsibility towards safeguarding sensitive information. In this future landscape, zero-trust architecture will become increasingly indispensable. It includes strict verification processes, ensuring that every user, device, and application is authenticated before granting access to critical systems. This paradigm shift in security architecture will significantly reduce the attack surface, containing potential breaches to isolated areas and minimizing the overall impact. As remote work continues to shape the business world, the importance of securing remote endpoints becomes paramount, demanding innovative approaches to protect data that resides beyond traditional corporate perimeters. Furthermore, the escalation of regulatory frameworks will shape the cybersecurity strategies of organizations worldwide. Compliance with emerging regulations will become a priority, driving investment in security solutions that not only protect assets, but also ensure adherence to legal mandates. Enterprises that adopt a proactive stance in cybersecurity will gain trust in their partnerships, ultimately fostering a more resilient business ecosystem. As 2026 unfolds, cybersecurity will undoubtedly occupy a central stage in the agenda of businesses globally, requiring continual adaptation and innovation to confront the dynamic nature of cyber threats. Now, more than ever, a strategic, forward-looking eye. As we enter the year 2026, the landscape of cybercrime has transformed dramatically, evolving in response to advances in technology and shifts in global connectivity. Cybercriminals are no longer isolated individuals working from dark corners of the internet. They are part of sophisticated networks that operate across borders, exploiting vulnerabilities in digital infrastructures. Individuals, businesses, and governments alike find themselves grappling with an increasing wave of malicious attacks that threaten data security and personal privacy. One significant factor fueling the rise of cybercrime is the sheer volume of data generated each day. With billions of devices connected to the internet, the opportunities for cybercriminals to invade systems have multiplied exponentially. From personal smartphones to corporate networks, every digital touchpoint is a potential target. Moreover, as artificial intelligence becomes more embedded in our daily lives, cybercriminals utilize these technologies to automate attacks and devise complex schemes, rendering traditional defenses less effective. The implications of this surge in cybercrime are profound, affecting not just individuals, but also economies on a global scale. Businesses face not only the immediate financial repercussions of data breaches, but also long-term reputational damage. Trust, a vital currency in today's digital marketplace, is eroded with each successful cyber attack, resulting in consumers becoming wary of online transactions. Governments worldwide are, therefore, urged to establish stricter regulations and frameworks to combat this growing threat, prompting an international dialogue on cybersecurity standards and shared responsibilities. Awareness and education become paramount as society increasingly recognizes the threat posed by cybercrime. Individuals must understand the importance of safeguarding their online presence, employing best practices such as strong password creation and the use of multi-factor authentication. Furthermore, organizations need to invest in cutting-edge cybersecurity technologies and training for employees, fostering a culture of security awareness that extends beyond the IT department. By proactively addressing vulnerabilities and investing in defensive solutions, entities can arm themselves against the relentless tide of cybercrime. In conclusion, the cybercrime landscape of 2026 is marked by complexity and urgency. As digital interconnectivity expands, the challenge of protecting sensitive information becomes even more vital. It takes collective efforts from individuals, businesses, and governments to build resilient cyber defenses. The fight against cybercrime is not merely a technical battle. It's a fundamental aspect of safeguarding our future in an increasingly digital world. Without vigilance and commitment, the digital age could become a dangerous territory fraught with risk and uncertainty. Embarking on a journey in data science involves many steps and a distinct roadmap to success. This roadmap guides aspiring data scientists through the essential skills and knowledge areas necessary for thriving in this ever-evolving field. The first leg of the journey typically begins with foundational knowledge in mathematics and statistics. Understanding concepts such as probability distributions, hypothesis testing, and linear algebra is crucial. These principles form the backbone of data analysis and modeling, allowing data scientists to extract insights and make informed decisions. Next, aspiring data scientists must develop programming skills, primarily in languages such as Python or R. Mastery of these languages enables one to manipulate data effectively, automate processes, and implement machine learning algorithms. Libraries such as Pandas, NumPy, and scikit-learn in Python are invaluable tools to facilitate data analysis and model building. As one progresses, understanding data wrangling becomes essential, as raw data is often messy and unstructured. This involves the techniques of cleaning, transforming and organizing data into a usable format. Proficiency in SQL for database management can significantly enhance one's capability to retrieve and manage datasets efficiently. Upon establishing a solid foundation in programming and data cleaning, aspiring data scientists should explore data visualization. Tools such as Matplotlib, Seaborn, and Tableau allow professionals to convey complex findings in an engaging and comprehensible manner. Visual representation of data facilitates storytelling and helps in making data-driven decisions. Once these foundational skills are in place, diving deeper into machine learning is vital. This includes supervised and unsupervised learning techniques, such as regression, classification, and clustering. Understanding the intricacies of different algorithms and when to apply them will vastly enhance analytical capabilities. Finally, practical experience is the key to mastery in data science. Working on real-world projects, participating in hackathons, or contributing to open-source initiatives provides invaluable opportunities to apply learned skills. Collaboration with peers fosters growth and encourages the sharing of diverse ideas and approaches. In conclusion, the data science roadmap is dynamic and continuously evolving. Each phase builds connections, weaving a rich tapestry of skills that empowers individuals to become proficient data scientists. Embrace this journey wholeheartedly, as the world of data science holds endless possibilities and opportunities for innovation. In today's interconnected world, cybercrime poses a significant threat, particularly in India, where rapid digital transformation has made it a prime target. As we embrace advanced technologies, the dark side of cyberspace, including hacking, data theft, and online fraud, continues to grow exponentially. The chaotic landscape demands comprehensive cybersecurity measures, showcasing a pressing need for awareness and action from individuals, businesses, and the government alike. India's government has recognized the urgency of mitigating cyber threats and has initiated various policies aimed at strengthening cybersecurity. One of the major initiatives is the National Cybersecurity Policy, which outlines a framework for protecting critical infrastructure and sensitive information. This policy emphasizes the importance of technology implementation, incident response practices, and collaboration between public and private sectors, fostering a secure digital ecosystem for all citizens. Despite these efforts, challenges remain in countering cybercrime in India. Various forms of online attacks, such as phishing, ransomware, and cyberbullying, have become prevalent, affecting both individuals and enterprises. Many victims remain unaware of their rights or lack access to resources for reporting cybercrimes. Educating the public about safe online practices and creating awareness regarding potential threats are crucial steps in empowering them to protect themselves against malicious attacks. In addition to government initiatives, the role of technology companies in combating cybercrime is vital. Developing robust security systems and encrypting sensitive data can significantly reduce vulnerabilities that cybercriminals exploit. Collaborations between tech firms, law enforcement agencies, and cybersecurity experts can enhance threat intelligence and foster proactive measures against emerging cybersecurity challenges. Moreover, investment in research and development is essential to create cutting-edge security solutions. As we navigate through the complexities of cybercrime, addressing this issue requires a participatory approach involving governmental bodies, organizations, and the general public in India. Each player must engage in building a resilient cybersecurity infrastructure that evolves alongside the ever-adapting tactics of cybercriminals. With ongoing efforts to enhance awareness, education, and cooperation, we can aspire to create a safer digital environment where citizens can thrive without fear, paving the way for a secure future in the age of technology. In the digital age, the specter of cybercrime looms larger than ever, presenting significant challenges for individuals and organizations alike. As technology advances, so do the methods employed by cybercriminals, making it increasingly essential to develop sophisticated tools for security. Artificial intelligence, AI, emerges as a beacon of hope, offering innovative solutions to combat the evolving landscape of cyber threats. The first act of this narrative begins with the understanding of the various forms of cybercrime. From identity theft to ransomware attacks, the motives and methods of cybercriminals are diverse and constantly changing. However, AI systems are designed to adapt and learn from these threats. Leveraging machine learning algorithms, these systems analyze vast amounts of data in real time to detect anomalies and recognize patterns that traditional security systems might overlook. This heightened level of vigilance allows for the identification of potential threats before they escalate into serious breaches, effectively safeguarding sensitive information. Transitioning into the second act, we must consider the proactive measures AI can implement in bolstering security systems. AI-powered cybersecurity solutions utilize real-time monitoring and predictive analytics to anticipate attacks, thereby fortifying defenses. By simulating various attack vectors, organizations can prepare more effectively and patch vulnerabilities, thus creating a robust security framework. Moreover, AI can automate responses to detected threats, minimizing the time taken to neutralize potential breaches and reduce overall damage to systems. As we enter the concluding act, the human-AI collaboration stands as a pivotal element in the ongoing battle against cybercrime. Although AI significantly enhances security measures, the insights and intuition of human cybersecurity experts remain irreplaceable. Together, they create a dynamic partnership where AI processes vast data swiftly, while humans interpret the nuances and establish strategic responses. Additionally, ethical considerations surrounding AI usage in cybersecurity must not be overlooked. As we develop these technologies, a responsible approach will ensure these tools are used to protect rather than exploit. In essence, the integration of AI in combating cybercrime heralds a new era of security. With its ability to adapt, learn, and respond swiftly, AI equips organizations with the necessary arsenal to confront the complexities of digital threats. This synergy between AI technology and human expertise paves the way for a safer digital future, where cybercrime is met with resilience and innovation.